Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard, the Stamps of Life, and I am very excited to share this product with you because it coordinates with our club stamp and die set for this month. Because you know what? Once you get going designing, I just can't stop. And I just went a little extra crazy. So as you know, our stamp and die set for this month is called Fish Tank to Stamp. And you get 3 cute little fishies and a little seahorse and a starfish. But I couldn't stop. So I designed this one. So you get more little fishies and you get a cute little fishy over there and you get 2 little sea turtles. You get some rocks, another fishy there, a little sand castle, and more words. Let's see. You are officially awesome. You're a great catch. Just keep swimming. Any fin is possible. The gang misses you. Hey you, and something seems fishy. Isn't that awesome? Now, of course, there are dies that match because all of those cute little guys need some dies. And for the little rocks, I just did one big die so you didn't have a whole bunch of little dies. And so there's a little, not a big die, it's still a little die, but there's 6 little rocks on there. Let me share with you my samples because they are amazing. Now first, here's a cute little milk box carton. This is actually available on our website, but look at how cute this is. We have cute little turtles with seaweed over here. We have a little tag that says the gang misses you with a little fishy on it. Here's some more fish with seaweed. Here's some more. Isn't that adorable? I just love that. That's so cute. Now, here we go. Here's our card. Some of these you might have already seen in the club video, but they're worth again seeing. Here's that cute little sand castle and some extra colorful fish. Here's the sand castle with the cute little turtle and some more fish. Here's a fun one. That one's like the little Nemo one. He looks like the little Nemo. He's on the add-on set. Here's that sandcastle with that sea turtle. Isn't he cute? I love him. Now this one is so fun. This one has still some sneak peeks on it, but look at how cute. There's our little sandcastle. Here's our little extra fish, and oh, there's our little turtles. You know I love sea turtles. Here's a cute one with our sandcastle die cut and the seaweed die cut. And all of those are actually die cut. All those cute little guys are die cut. There is our little sandcastle. Here is another little sandcastle. So that's 1 or 2, technically 2 items that are brand new. So you're thinking, oh wow, that's so fun. I have that aquarium. I'm a club member. I have that aquarium. But what if we had a fold-it? What is a fold-it? A fold-it is a shaped card that fits in a standard envelope. That was a fishbowl. It is true, my friends. I have also come out with a fishbowl that has some seaweed with it. I don't even have the samples because it's so brand new. I'm sorry, I don't have the sample dies. It has longer seaweed because you need longer seaweed. It has bigger rocks. It has a little whoosh, whoosh, whoosh here, little border die so you can make water. And look at how cute that is. So cute and so fun. Here's one actually on a card. Look at those cute little rocks and our little guys just swimming, swimming, swimming. Oh, here's one that doesn't even go in there. That's with the, oh, look how cute that is with the little seaweed. I'm telling you that seaweed's fun. But here's another cute little fold-it. And look, this is using our big fish. And here's one using the little fish. So you can see they work, both of them work really, really well with this fishbowl. And it's so fun. I just thought it'd be fun to have a fishbowl. I always wanted a fishbowl. So isn't that cute? Now, club members, of course you get the club discount on these products. And if you're not in the club, I don't know what to tell you. You're missing out because you would have gotten a freebie this month. So if you join this month, January 2021, you'll still get that freebie if you hurry up and join. Club members, don't worry. It's already on their way to you in your club shipment. Now, don't forget, go check out the club, thestampsoflife.com. If I went too fast on any of these, don't worry. They're all on our online gallery. Every product on our website has an online gallery. You can go to that product page, click on View Gallery, and you're going to see all of these wonderful, wonderful creations. And in fact, you can even upload your creations to our gallery. So go check that out as well. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.